Hey David, hey Connie, shooting you another Tuesday construction update. Made some good progress this week. You can see beautiful driveway, paper driveway has been laid, which is awesome. Last week you saw the drywall was hung, it was taped. We got the texture done this week. I apologize, it's a little dark in here today, but the other update too is 5-inch baseboards are all in. And that's pretty much the major additions from the last week. Also, look at, got some pavers there on your back patio as well. And we're finishing the block wall all the way down. So made some good progress this week. I hope you guys are enjoying the beautiful weather. You can see it's just a beautiful night tonight. So quick little update for you. As always, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm hoping you're getting a lot of showings on your home. Other than that, I will be speaking to you guys soon. I'm sure sometime this week. So take it easy. Talk soon.